How to add fund on Mastermind SMM. Click on the top 3 button here and then add funds. Then you will get 3 options. Select Paytm Business, InstaMojo, or if you're out of India, go for PayPal. Then take a screenshot of this QR code and go to your Paytm account. And then select Pay, select the image one and select the QR code and pay the amount, 10 rupees, 100 rupees, 1000 rupees, whatever you want. And then very important, select this order ID, copy the order ID and go back to the mastermindsmm.com. Copy the order ID and when you go back, then paste the order ID here on the Mastermind SMM and then enter the amount and then check. Enter the amount whatever you have paid on the Paytm. The money will be added. And then how to use the services. You can select any services. For example, if you want to choose likes, so select Indian likes and then go to the Instagram on the post, on which post you want likes. Then copy the URL of this post and go back. Yes, copy it and then go back to the mastermindsmm.com. Paste the link, the number of quantity, how many likes you want, 100 likes, submit it. Click on submit and you will get the likes. Similarly, you can buy followers, and if you want to buy the Instagram non-drop followers, select this is the best services, 99 days, and then copy the URL, select the corner top and copy the URL of the profile, not the post, and then copy the profile URL and then go back to the Mastermind SMM and paste the link here. Yes, and then the quantity, the number of followers you want to add, for example 100, 10, then click done and submit it. We have many different services also for the Facebook pages likes, Facebook profile likes, Facebook followers, YouTube subscribers, YouTube views, YouTube watch time to monetize your channel. So select the services and enjoy. Thank you for watching mastermindsmm.com.